Hey kids, in this video we are going to learn to add a wait instruction from the control block so that we can create a proper conversation between the two sprites, and also we will be adding a motion block to make our hero move. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. So go to the projects and click on the previous project that you were working upon. You will observe that we have added one more sprite and we have created dialog for that particular sprite as well. So in our project, we'll be having two sprites. So as you can see over here, this is one sprite and this is my another sprite. So this is the code for this granny superhero, and let me show you for catcher. I have this code. Okay. So in short, now let us check what is happening over here. So when I click the flag, see, both of them are talking at the same time. To fix this problem, we should add a wait instruction. So children, first I want the granny superhero to speak, and then I want the catcher to speak. So in the code of catcher, I will go to the control menu and I will pick up the wait for 1 second block, drag it and drop it just right below the when flag clicked for the catcher. Okay. So now let us check what is happening at this moment. Again, see, just after Granny spoke, the catcher also started speaking. Yeah, so we don't want it this way. We want first Granny to speak completely and then the catcher should speak. So let us calculate the time for which the Granny is speaking. See, Granny is going to speak for 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total 8 seconds. Now go to the catcher and change this wait to 8. Click on 1 and change it to 8. Okay. So now let us check how the code is working. So click on the flag. See, Granny saying, "Hello, I'm Granny Hero. I have different superpowers. Watch me make difference in the world." Now, the catcher says, "Hey Granny, I was playing around and I lost my football. Can you please help me find it?" Now I want Granny to say, "Yes, sure. Let me check behind the building." So I am again going to click to the Granny, add wait for 1 second over here, go to the catcher and check for how many seconds the catcher is talking. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 seconds. So click on the Granny again, make this wait to 6, and now let us go to the looks block. Again pick up say hello for 2 second block, attach it just right below the wait for 6 seconds. And what do we want Granny superhero to say? Yes, sure. Let me check behind the building. Okay. So now again check whether our code is working or not properly. Hey Granny, I was playing around and I lost my football. Can you help me find it? Granny says, yes, sure. Let me check behind the building. So that's it. My code is working properly. Now I want the hero to move around the stage area or go behind the building or somewhere near to the building. Yeah. So once she says, let me get check behind the building, I want my superhero to move. Okay. So now again, Go to the motion blocks. From the motion blocks, you can use glide 1 seconds to random position. Here, children, if you want, you can scroll down, and let me just scroll down as well, and you can check random position to the mouse pointer, to the buildings, to the objects, or to the catcher. So I want my granny to move to the building part, so I can choose buildings over here. So, and let us check now whether granny is moving towards the building or not. Yes. So after she says, let me check behind the building, she is moving towards the building. So that's how, children, you can use the glide and the weight blocks. So after this is done, make sure you go to the file and click save now. Thank you.